Yesterday was tax day, and we saw the release of new consultations in addition to those already announced in the budget. This provides us a really useful roadmap of the tax changes we could expect to see in future. Whilst this was mainly a spring clean exercise to update or continue existing consultations, we did see some new proposals, namely, inheritance tax reporting will be simplified, removing 90% of estates from the need to file inheritance tax returns, and this will significantly reduce the admin burden for a large number of estates. There are also new consultations on air passenger duty, paying income tax earlier, and reporting cross-border transactions. There's been some progress on long-running consultations too. Some have been closed down with no further action, including carbon emissions tax, VAT grouping, and the taxation of trusts. The perennial question about what to do about business rates continues, however, with an interim report including summaries of responses received so far, but will now move to a fundamental review stage, and it continues. It's as interesting to note what isn't in there as what is. There was really very little on developing new tax revenue streams, nor on environmental taxes, nor on capital gains tax, for instance. So this clearly isn't the end of the story on tax developments, but it is a useful picture of what the policy focus will be in the next few months. Considering the timeline by which they all close, which is between the 1st of June and 13th of July, we expect concrete proposals in the summer, and we could see legislation by the autumn and a fuller than expected budget. Tax policy has a big part to play in the future of the UK economy. Current consultations, expected to be of significant fiscal impact, including on R&D incentives, will impact investment and growth in the future. Today's announcements focus largely on the administration and compliance aspects of tax, which is equally important for the efficient management of the tax system and ease of doing business. Businesses and individuals need to engage with these consultations now if they want to see a UK tax regime that reflects their needs.